Welcome Kumot Asia. We're here at Honda Flagship Gensan to celebrate Riders Night event with motorcycle enthusiasts. Get ready to experience the excitement of the motorcycle industry as we experience their shared love for bikes and the open road.
The very purpose why we have this Riders Night as the theme itself, meet and greet with Gensan's motorcycle enthusiasts, is to build friendship, strong camaraderie in the motorcycle community. So mo itong purpose na to karon gabi nga nung gi-build na ko ni na event is to gather all riders, not here only in Gensan but all Mindanao riders.
Can we have your name po?
My name is Lady Rider Liza.
Ian Bon Joseph, also known as Bonito Moto.
I'm Popoy ni Basha. I'm Donald Kentuangco Labanon, also known as Don Adventure TV.
How many years na po kayo nagra-ride?
6 years na po ako nag-ride.
More than 5 years or 8 years na.
3 years, turning 4 years. Since 2003,
2003.
nagra-ride na talaga ako. Sa pag-ride ko, 7 endurances na yung dinaanan ko. Doon mo na mamimit ang mga iba-ibang riders. Mapuntahan mo yung mga places na maganda. And most especially, yung camaraderie ng bawat rider.
Kasi ma'am, para sa akin kasi, yung mga nagagawa ng lalaki is nagagawa din nating mga babae. So para sa akin, as long as gusto mo mag-enjoy, gusto mo mag-ride, pwede naman.
Stress-free, ever since na nag-start ako mag-ride, nakakawala ng stress. I've enjoyed a lot and meet a lot of people since I've started riding.
I am so excited kasi part ako ng opening ng motorcycle. And 1 year na pala siya ngayon. Very heartwarming and embracing and welcoming kasi ako yung host dito. In-invite na ako to host the event. Thank you Powercycle for inviting me here again.
Alright, thank you so much, sir. Will there be future plans for other events?
Definitely, there will be future plans. No, this will not be the first and last Riders Night for Powercycle.
We have the former Senator Manny Pacquiao himself, who is a bike enthusiast. Can you share about your experience sa riding po?
Ang daming mo may experience sa riding basta wala kang disiplina. Good thing na pag itong pagbalik ko, sumali ako sa safety riding course. So marami ako natutunan about riding. Unahin talaga yung safety. Mag-ingat palagi, huwag magkampante, basta kahit na malapit lang yung pupuntahan, isuot palagi yung helmet at mga protection sa katawan. Importante kahit na malapit yung pupuntahan. I'm so happy na invited ako dito sa event na ito, yung Riders Night. At maraming salamat sa inyong pag-imbita. At maraming salamat sa lahat ng mga riders dyan. Ingat lang sa pagpapaliho. Kita-kita tayo sa daan.
To the officers of Kumot Gensan, committees, co-presenter, sponsors, individual volunteers, thank you. Once again, welcome everyone and enjoy the night. Ride on.
Our exciting journey here at the Riders Night event at Honda Flagship Gensan has come to an end. The memories created in this event will definitely keep our love for motorcycles alive. Don't forget to be on the lookout for more events coming right up. Remember to ride safely and stay tuned for more videos.